twists in hair material. To seeing the twist, it's better to render your hair. For better seeing the hair, I prefer to see some changes. In a hair, in a guide, make sure that you have more segment to twisting. And for this, I make it area to better seeing the twist. And in the hair, you can increase the segment of the hair. And I make it as a guide. It means each hair is exactly one guide. And also in the viewport, you can see the hairline. You can see the hairline here. For better seeing the hairline in a material, interactive render, in a thickness, I make the thickness higher in the root and the tip to better seeing the twist. If you activate the twist, you can see the twist here, but it does not act there. Because for twisting, you have to activate some of these to bending, for example. Bend something, change amount of bend, and it's random. And after that, if you activate twist, you can see some twist. And the axis is a guide. It means it's make, if you increase the number of the twist, you can see, because it's axis of the twist. Axis means that it's twisting and rotating the hair around the which this axis. Axis around the guide, because the guide are straight, you cannot see the twist. Change it to normal. Now you can see the twist. If you increase the number of the twists, you can see this. Or if you disable, you can see the twist. And the keep length, you can deactivate that because it's trying to keep the length of the hair. But if you deactivate the keep length, you can see the twist better here because it's does not maintain the length of the hair and it's adding the hair. Around normal means it's twisting around the normal surface of the hair that is root on that. For example, you have a bend here, so normal is nice in this case. Or if you want, you can twist around the guides, for example, or root. Just change them to some situation you can. Variation means if you in each hair is a randomly twisting, you can use the variation if you want. The amount, how much power do you want to use, and this is on the curve. It means in a root we have 0% of that come going to the tip. So the most important thing in a twist is you have to bend, or if deactivate, you can see, you cannot see, or you can come here with the tools, simulation tools. You can, it's a sorry. What was that? Simulation brush. You can brush some of the hair, and now you can see the twist based on the root, So for twisting, you need to brush the hair. Then you can go to the twist and change to the root, change to the normal, change to the guide. It's twisting based on a guide, based on a root axis and normal surface. Okay, you can, don't bothering with these, just change them and see which one is best for you. I don't need to explain mathematical things behind it. But in most cases, if you want, you can keep length. It's trying to twist the hair based on the length of that, or if you don't, you can deactivate keep length. Again, texture is color codes, black and white. For example, gradient. It means in this part of the gradient we don't have any twist, and we are going to the white area and we have 100% of the twist. In the black area, we don't have anything. In the white area, we have. So black and white code is controlling which part do you want to twist. Please don't forget to visit our TutorialCells apps channel. In this channel, we are introducing Android application and learn how to use them.